Where do babies come from?
A stork.
What's a penis?
What is it, man?
Do I have a penis?
I don't know.
Where do penises come from?
Stork penis.
What are buttholes for?
Storage.
Wait, so is a vagina a type of butthole?
It's pronounced vagina.
Vagina. Ah. I put my finger in my belly button, and I swear teeth marks were on my finger.
That may or may not have been me.
You. Wait, so if you shit while you're sleeping on an air mattress, is that a hot air balloon? I knew it. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck?
Thought we were talking about beavers.
Does that mean penis? When I fart, I swear sometimes it's wet. Is that pooping? No. You call it when a vagina has teeth.
Box cutter.
Can brothers kiss?
Stop.
I'm sorry.
Stop.
I was just gonna.
Stop.
Okay.
Stop.
Do I get periods?
No.
But my butt bleeds all the time. Wait, so what is it called when a woman gets her period? It's called a period, isn't it? That's a period. I knew that. When am I gonna get boobs?
The public school system has failed you.
I didn't go to school. I learned from books, you know. Magic Treehouse. God. Dr. Seuss. Oh yeah, what's that story about the tree that gives?
Giving tree.
I don't think that's it.
I promise, it's the giving tree.
Midgets have sex. I assume it's just like mini M&Ms, you know? It's more fun.
Tastes the same. It's just smaller.
It's the same thing, right? It's smaller. It's smaller. See, I was fooling around with a midget once, and it felt more like puppeteering.
I think that's how finger puppets were made.
So what are sock puppets?
It's like people that are half midget, half regular person.
They're like the mixed kids, but of size, not race. God, I just hate it when my balls hit my knees. Garden gnomes.
Butt plugs.
Like after I eat Mexican food. Okay.
Yeah.
Normal to cry before, during, and after sex. And sometimes I'll just think about it and I'll start to cry. Me too. I queefed in an elevator the other day. I felt so bad because it smelled terrible.
I thought queefing was a sport.
It's probably a German sport. That sounds like a German sport.
I thought it sounded Middle Eastern.
I can see that.
Yeah.
Sometimes, when I'm sucking my own dick, I just wonder, would it hurt all that bad to put it in my nose?
I think that was the original consequence for nose goes, like
Nose
goes penis.
Where the fuck are we?
No.
Does a placenta taste as good as it sounds?
Well, if it's prepared right, then absolutely.
Imagine it's kind of squishy.
Yeah, like placenta. It just sounds...
Placenta. It's bouncy.
Yeah.
It's G-spot.
It's a place in a town where there's a strong gang presence.
Scary. Is genital mutilation a video game?
What the fuck?